Yeah, we just did a 3-day trip, 2 nights, so nice to get out. We did a real simple one though, with no portages, just get from our car into the canoe. The weather was actually really good for most of the weekend. It was a little bit drizzly, misty kind of thing when we were coming in that first day, and cloudy all day, but it was warm. I mean, it was fine that way.
This has been one of the best trips for seeing wildlife that I've been on in a long time. Right from the very beginning, we had just started canoeing, and there's a loon, and we thought, let's see how close we can get to him. Normally, a loon will dive underwater, if you get within any distance of it, but we were able to get right up close to him.
Just when we started coming in, there was a chipmunk swimming across the lake.
I have never seen a chipmunk swim. I didn't know they could. And he started swimming across the lake. We kept an eye on him to see how far he got, and it was a short part of the lake, and I'm pretty sure he made it. He got over halfway across before we got too far away to see him.
And I've seen turtles and beavers and moose. We were playing a game called Name That Scat. We were looking at, there's wolf crap, there's bear poo, that's fresh too, and there's moose droppings, there's lots around here.
Well, it's the 1st of July.
The bugs actually have been pretty good. I mean, as far as not many of them around, so beginning of July, I always expect a lot worse.
The bugs haven't been that great. I've been getting attacked by mosquitoes, but I've got my mosquito net. So
one mosquito.
Dinners when you're camping don't have to be sparse, dried food that you eat. You can eat quite well. On this trip, Tim brought a steak.
This is camping at its finest.
I had pre-cooked some turkey burgers and seasoned them and had those on a bun with cheese. It's delicious. You can have a great dinner when you're out here.
We got up, had a nice breakfast, and we went out canoeing just to explore the island sites and what's at the far end. Came back, we did lots of hiking, exploring the trails and everything. It was a great day.
it's about 6 a.m. I looked outside and everything is fog. There's a white wall just outside. Now, obviously that's going to burn off throughout the morning so that we'll be able to see our way home, but it's pretty cool at the moment. Of course, an hour or two later, it's beautiful, it's clear. Walk down to the point, it's sunny, it's great.
So we're going to pack up and head on out.